Hello students, in present video I am going to explain about 18th problem from consignment account topic. I am taking this question from Telangana State Telugu Academy Inter Second Year Accountancy Textbook. But this video is useful to all commerce students who want to know about consignment topic. Previous problems videos links are available in the description box. Let us see the question first. Raja Oil Mills, Reddy consigned 500 kgs ghee to the Vijaya dealers of Yellareddy. Cost of each kg is 800 rupees. Raja Oil Mills paid 5000 rupees for various expenses. During the transit, 50 kgs of ghee were accidentally destroyed. Vijaya dealers received remaining stock of ghee and reported that entire ghee is sold for 5 lakh rupees and their expenses are 12,000 rupees. They are entitled to a 5% commission on sales. Prepare necessary accounts in the books of Raja Oil Mills, assuming that Vijaya dealers remitted amount due by them. This is a question. Let us see the solution for this. Important points of this problem I have written on the board. Raja Oil Mills of Reddy consigned 500 kgs of ghee to Vijaya dealers of Yellareddy. So goods are sent by Raja Oil Mills. So they come under consignor. And Vijaya dealers are known as consignee. 1 kg cost price is 800 rupees. To send these goods, consignor incurred 5000 rupees expenditure. In transit, 50 kgs are destroyed. So this is abnormal loss. Vijaya dealers received the remaining ghee. So 500 minus 50 kgs is equal to 450 kgs. And they sold these 450 kgs for 5 lakh rupees. Means there is no unsold stock. To sell these goods, they incurred expenditure. Expenditure name is not given here. 12,000 rupees. And they are entitled to take a commission of 5% on sales. So in question, he is asking to prepare ledger in the books of Raja Oil Mills. So this is the heading, ledger of Raja Oil Mills, consignor. In his books, we have to prepare 3 accounts. Yellareddy consignment account, Vijaya dealers account, goods sent on consignment account. Consignee is living in Yellareddy, no? That is why Yellareddy consignment account. Consignee's name, Vijaya dealers. Then third account name is goods sent on consignment account. So as we are preparing ledger in the books of consignor, think all transactions from consignor's point of view. And consignment account is a nominal account. Nominal account rule, debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. So consignment business related expenses and losses debit side we should show, incomes and gains on credit side. First what happened? Consignor sent goods to consignee on consignment basis. Debit side we should write that. 2 goods sent on consignment account. Show the calculation. 500 kgs are sent. 1 kg cost is 800 rupees. 500 into 800, 4 lakh rupees. Next, consignor expenses 5000. So expenses in consignment account debit side we should show now 5000 rupees. For consignor's expenses, we have to write to bank account. Next, consignee sold 450 kgs for 5 lakh rupees. Sale is an income, no? Credit side we should write 5 lakh rupees. Consignee sold. So write Vijaya dealers account. Next, to sell these goods, they incurred 12,000 rupees expenditure. So for consignment business, this is expenditure. Debit side we should show. For consignee's expenses, we should write Vijaya dealers. Next, they are entitled to take 5% commission. Consignor has to pay commission to consignee. To consignor, this is an expenditure. Expenditure debit side. And consignee's name we should write. To Vijaya dealers account. On sales we should calculate sales amount 5 lakh rupees. On that commission is 5%, 25,000 rupees. Next come to damaged goods. 50 kgs are damaged in transportation. So this is abnormal loss because the product is ghee. So due to natural characteristic of this product, there is no chance of any damage. So due to outside reasons only, due to abnormal reasons only, we can see damage. So abnormal loss value we should calculate. Heading is abnormal loss value calculation. First, cost of goods damaged. 50 kgs of ghee is damaged, So 50 kgs into 1 kg cost price is 800, total 40,000. To this, consignor's proportionate direct expenses we should add. Proportionate direct expenses of Raja Oil Mills. Their expenditure 5,000 is there, no? So on 500 kgs, they spend 5,000 rupees expenditure. We are calculating 50 kgs value, abnormal loss value. So on 50 kgs, consignor's expenditure is how much? This is the question. So 5,000 divided by 500 into 50. 500 rupees. On 50 kgs, consignor's direct expenditure is 500 rupees. And goods are damaged in transportation, no? So remaining goods, 450 kgs only consignee received. On 450 kgs only consignee spent this expenditure. So consignee's expenditure we should not consider here while calculating abnormal loss value. In unsold stock value calculation we should consider if it is direct expenditure, but not here. Right. So abnormal loss value on credit side we should write. Why? In previous problem I explained. In 17th problem. So goods sent details debit side we are writing. Sales, remaining goods value, nothing but unsold stock. If any abnormal loss is there, that value. On credit side we should write. So credit side abnormal loss value is 40,500. For that what to write? By abnormal loss account. As I explained in previous problem, 17th problem, instead of abnormal loss word, you can write profit and loss account also. And in 17th problem, goods were insured. So that a claim we deducted and the remaining amount only we have taken as abnormal loss. But here there is no information about insurance. Means these goods are not insured. So no claim is going to come from insurance company. Therefore, total value 40,500 is abnormal loss to us. Finally, calculate profit or loss in consignment account. So credit total minus debit total. Credit column total is 5,40,500 minus debit column total 4,42,000. Difference 98,500. Debit total is less, no? Debit side we should write. What is the meaning of this answer? Credit side we wrote income, debit side expenditure. Income is more than the expenditure. So answer is profit. This profit we should transfer to profit and loss account. To profit and loss account. Two sides write down the highest total. 5,40,500. Credit side also same. So consignment account is completed. Next, consignees account. Vijaya dealers account. With the help of consignment account, we can prepare Vijaya dealers account without using journal entries. Credit side, Vijaya dealers 5 lakh is there, no? That amount show on debit side. From which account you are taking this amount? LRT consignment account. Here, write that account name. To LRT consignment account. Next, debit side. 4 lakh, 5,000, see 12,000 and 25,000. For these two amounts also we wrote Vijaya dealers one. So these two amounts, credit side we should write 12,000, 25,000. From consignment account we are taking these two amounts. So write that by LRD consignment account. Finally, find out the difference. Debit total is more than credit total. So debit total minus credit total is equal 4,63,000 rupees. credit total is less. So credit side we should write this. What is the meaning of this amount? Consignee sold our goods for 5 lakh. From that amount, he is deducting his expenses, his commission, and the remaining amount is the due amount. Consignee paid that amount. In question, there is no proper information regarding the method of payment. Our assumption is through a bank draft he paid. So for this answer, we have to write by bank account. Two sides highest total 5 lakh rupees. Consignee's account is completed. Finally come to goods sent on consignment account. So by taking the help of consignment account, this account we prepare. See, debit side for 4 lakh rupees we wrote no 2 goods sent on consignment account word. Same 4 lakh rupees in goods sent on consignment account on credit side we should write. We are taking that 4 lakh from LRD consignment account now. Write that account name here. By LRD consignment account. Same amount on debit side. We should close this account by transferring this balance to trading account. So debit side to trading account. Two sides put the total 4 lakh rupees. Credit side also same. With this, 18th problem is completed. Hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you.